Hello, I am AI anchor Sana, and you are watching Aaj Tak AI. Let's have a look at AI news. Sulcid Technologies, a Hyderabad-based startup, is partnering with Google's Health Acoustic Representations HEAR model to enhance early detection of tuberculosis in India. The HEAR model, trained using 300 million audio samples, including 100 million cough sounds, could make TB screening more accessible across India. Sulcid Technologies will use the HEAR model to enhance its 2020 product, Swasa, which uses AI to detect lung abnormalities. HEAR, introduced in March 2024, is designed to help researchers create tools that can listen to human sounds and identify early signs of disease. Google and the Stop TB partnership view HEAR as a promising tool for improving TB screening and detection. Do tell us what you think about this video in the comments section. And for more AI news updates, subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.